Om Shri Satnam Sakhi, Jai Sri Krishna. With the divine blessings of Sadguru Swami Dev Prakash Ji Maharaj, with immense pleasure, we would like to share Param Pujya Sadguru Swami Shanti Prakash Ji Maharaj's discourses of Satsang Varkha, which is now translated and recorded in English. The Hindi version of Guru Maharaj's discourses is available on our YouTube channel called Satsang Varkha. Now, keeping in mind the current trend of English language, we have made a humble attempt to present the English version of the same Satsang Varkha, which is extremely easy to understand and follow the divine directions of Sadguru Maharaj in our daily life for us to evolve spiritually. In order to keep the youth involved and engaged in their spiritual pursuits, we urge all our Satsangi Premis to share this knowledge with their children and hear it themselves so that the new generation stays connected to their roots and follow our Sanatan Dharma with our Param Pujya Acharya Sadguru Swami Teoram Ji Maharaj's preachings. Satnam Sakhi, Jai Sri Krishna.
Om Shri Satnam Sakhi, Jai Sri Krishna. Satsang Varkha Book 1, Discourse 1, Part 2. The devotees started asking Guru Maharaj Ji, Swamiji, please tell us, how will this soul be freed from worldly bondage? So that this soul does not get caught in the cycle of birth and death and 8.4 million species, that is, different forms of life a soul has to take to forever unite with the Supreme Lord, which is actually called liberation. It is said in the Vedas and scriptures that all the suffering that this soul undergoes is due to ignorance. When that ignorance is destroyed, complete bliss is attained. This is called moksha or salvation. How can such moksha or salvation be attained? Guru Maharaj Ji tells his devotees, a seeker is someone whose soul is free from attachment and ignorance and desires to pray to the Supreme Lord. The scriptures say, a soul that has the desire to leave this world forever to attain moksha or salvation is very fortunate. But how will such a desire arise? For that, we have to first recognize our soul, our nature, our being. Unless we recognize our nature, we cannot attain liberation. There is no peace without liberation. A man who is a slave to someone will never be peaceful. A soul that is free from desires can attain peace. This does not mean that one should not obey the orders of our scriptures, Satgurus, saints, parents, and elders. In fact, we have to first obey the orders of our elders and gurus and respect them. Sadguru Maharaj Ji said, I had once visited a place where the Vedas or holy scriptures were being discussed. So I said the Vedas are beneficial only for those humans who are detached from Maya, that is, illusion, and the desires of the world. Maya is appropriate for charity, fulfilling your family's needs, or helping someone less fortunate. Accumulating wealth to keep in the vaults increases sorrows and troubles. Our dear brother Atmaramji saw a dream and came to me and said, Sai, one thing you say is absolutely true. Guru Maharaj Ji said, what thing? Atmaramji said, Sai, I dreamt that a gold brick is lying on the road and I got greedy. I tried to lift the brick by myself, but after a lot of attempts, I could not lift it. I started wishing if someone could help me pick up this gold brick, but that person should be blind so that he cannot ask me for a share of the gold. Almost immediately, I saw two blind men walking towards me. I asked for their help, gave them 2 annas, that is, old Indian currency, and got that gold brick placed on the top of my head. After all this, my eyes opened immediately and my dream was shattered. Look How greed and craving makes our soul a slave even in our dreams. Imagine how greed will affect us in reality. How can one attain peace with all this greed? A soul that has cravings and greed will always remain a slave to this material world. But a soul that is free from all cravings, greed, and worldly desires is the King of Kings. Such a soul can attain true peace. Therefore, it is necessary to recognize one's soul. बोलिए सतगुरुदेव भगवान की जय.